Welcome to the vlog. We about to run it up. Yes, we are. Hey, what's up, fam? Check this out. We are on our way to the store. I woke up late on a Monday on Thanksgiving week. Oh, that's all right. We still gonna run it up today, but I'm more excited about the future vlogs. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe and hit the bell. I swiped a $53 batch. I've been waiting for a couple minutes, not too long. It's 9:26, so I'm definitely gonna miss the Costco drop. But hey, it's a $53 batch, and yeah, I'm happy with that. It's 56 items though, so that's cool. It is what it is. But to be honest, you know what I hate about this? Yo, the stores are so packed. The stores are so packed for Thanksgiving week, but it is what it is. Let's get that money. Team, run it up. You already know. All right, let's get it. We knocked that out in under an hour. Under an hour. Let's go. Easy batch. You know what I'm saying? A lot of items. A ton of items, but yo, I'm quick. I'm quick. That's exactly why you have to learn your store. Let's get it. Oh, check this out. The future vlogs, what I'm about to do, I'm about to change the whole style up, and I'm gonna start helping out massively gig workers. Not just Instacart shoppers, but I'm definitely gonna look out for my Insta shoppers, but Door Dashers, Uber Eaters, Postmaters, whatever else. I'm gonna start helping out massively for the gig, I guess they guys call the gig community. And do me a big favor, by the way, and go subscribe to my new channel. Link in the description, where we're doing a race to 1,000 subscribers without any videos yet. And then we're gonna post some fire content on that channel. Let's get it.
I don't think they running at my pace.
What did I tell you guys about those red lights that just turned green? So let's drive. Finished that last order, and on the way back, the store is right here, by the way. I swiped a $48 single, and then they threw in a $22 add-on. Now that brings this batch to $70 total if I can find everything, which is awesome. That's right where we want to be. Now the only downfall to this batch is that it turned into a triple order. So it's a triple, and the house is about 25 minutes away delivery. So I mean, we just gotta count on doing the shopping fast. So let's go in here and crush it. And we're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Another one down the drain. Let's get it. Easy order. The cashier put bread with produce. That's not good. I didn't wash her. We are finished with that order, which took a while, man. The first house was 24-minute drive, and the second and third house was 15 minutes from that house. So yeah, that was a long one. It is 12:40 right now, and we're sitting at, what are we at for the day? We're at 123 for the day. Not bad. We did a 50 something and a 69. It went down $1 because I had to refund like 2 things. We about to be on our way right back to snag another one and run it up. You already know what it is. What's poppin', fam? So we back home. We been home, actually. I've been home. I stopped at 2 o'clock. Around 2:30 p.m. I stopped, and we made, what did we make? I did like 2 more batches after the last one you guys seen. $203 for the day. Stopped at like 2:30, and yeah, we back at home. I'm about to upload this video, but I want to put y'all on real quick because it's not just about making money. Y'all better be healthy. Y'all see this out here? I eat like this every single day. This is a huge organic salad, spring mix, multi-greens with some sauerkraut in there. Organic, of course, organic dressings that are high in fat, very low carbs, if any, probably 1 gram of carb per tablespoon. Then we got 4 pasture-raised eggs, organic pasture-raised eggs, and those are gonna be, I'm gonna eat that with this for the protein. Sometimes I'll do some like wild wild caught sockeye salmon. But you guys gotta make sure you're eating healthy. Thanksgiving's coming up, so I know everybody's gonna eat like crazy and everybody's gonna eat a bunch of dirty stuff. But yeah, this is how I eat all the time. And yeah, I'm about to wrap it up. I'll see y'all to the next one. Make sure y'all run it up. Team run it up. You already know what it is. I'm out. Peace.